Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to do a spa pedicure in the comfort of your own home. Since we can't get out to the salon, I am going to bring the salon to you. Look at this setup, it is a whole mood. Grab your tea, light you a candle, put on your favorite show, play some music, whatever you gotta do to set the mood. Okay, so to start, I'm going to show you everything that we'll need. You're going to use towels, nail clippers. You're going to need an orange stick, a nail file, a nail buffer, a nail brush, foot file, a foot soap or any soap really, some cuticle remover, nail polish remover, your NBK cuticle oil, and you'll be using a hand cream, an exfoliant scrub, some cotton, and rose petals, just to be extra. It's all about the ambiance. We're going to be using base coat, and polish of your choice, whatever color you like, and top coat. And then you'll need a brush to do your cleanup. So to get started, we're going to have our bowl with our soak. We'll put in our paddles and we're just going to sit and relax. This is the juicy part. Just relax, sit for as long as you want. I usually soak for about 20 minutes or so. Start by cutting any excess nail that you may have. So cut to the length that you want. Next, you want to take your cuticle remover and place this on your cuticles. This is going to get rid of any dead skin and excess cuticle that might be on or around the nail. You're going to go in with your orange stick pretty much immediately because you don't want the cuticle remover to sit for too long. You usually don't want to leave it on for more than up to a minute. This is a nice gentle way to remove that dead skin, so you don't have to worry cuticle nippers or cuticle pushers and scrapers. You don't need all of that. Go in with your orange stick and get rid of all that excess. I flipped my orange stick to the pointed side to get underneath. You're gonna just dip your foot in and scrub away any buildup and getting that cuticle remover off. And now you can go in and shape the nail how you like. I usually go for a nice square shape, so you're gonna go ahead and file your nails down and also right on the surface of the nail. You're gonna go ahead and give that a nice little buff. Don't go in too aggressively when you're doing the surface of your nail. The goal is not to damage or take off too many layers of the nail. We're just etching away any staining from polish or what have you that might be on the surface of the nail. Then you're going to go in and go ahead and remove any dead skin on the heels. Now you're going to go in with your exfoliant and go ahead and apply that all over. Go in with your moisturizer. Go ahead and rub that right in. You've done that, you want to take your nail buff and go ahead and buff the surface of your nail. This step is crucial to dehydrate your nail. After we just put all those oils and moisturizers over our nail, you want to go ahead and buff that off. So go ahead and give that a good buff, dehydrating the nail, so that we can get ready to paint. Now I am taking a piece of paper towel and just rolling it down to use as toe spacers. If you have toe spacers, you can use those as well, but I always just go in with paper towel, just to separate so that they don't touch while I paint. And now let's get started. We're going to apply our base coat. Now we're going to go with our color. I am going with white tones, so we're going to go ahead and apply our polish. You want to allow a minute for each layer to dry before you go in with the next. Now that your first coat's done, you let that dry for a bit. Go ahead and go in with your second coat. I went in with an iridescent over my white, just to give it a bit of shimmer. I wasn't really feeling the matte white, so I went in with some shimmer and applied this iridescent coat over all my nails. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and do your cleanup. Put some acetone onto your brush and then just go ahead and clean up around the cuticle. I always do this before I put my top coat because I just feel like the top coat seals off everything. I don't know, but I always do my cleanup before I put my top coat. So now you can go in with your top coat and go ahead and seal everything in. Remember to cap your free edge as you apply. This is especially necessary when doing the top coat. Now that you've set and let that dry, you can go ahead and remove your the paper towel for your spaces and go in with your cuticle oil. Sorry that my camera wasn't focusing for this, guys. Go ahead and rub that right in. Still want to be careful because polish can take quite long to dry. And there you have it, fresh, clean feet. Salon ready pedicure right in the comfort of your home. Okay, easy, anyone can do this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.